Hello guys, PowerGo here. Today with my girlfriend we will open up some Aliexpress packages. Let's go! We have a fucking unboxing knife. Let's go! My wonderful assistant.
Not this
Please.
one first?
Nah, this will be our first one.
Don't play with the knife.
Ooh! Shit! Okay.
Why they're orange?
These bulbs will go to my rear
Why this one's orange?
taillight. Because it's for indicators. Yeah, and these should be stop ones. We will test them out later. Okay. Okay, let's go. Give them to me. Okay, give me.
One?
Yeah, give me this one.
Except
Yeah.
don't play with a knife.
Okay. It's my tail light tint. We'll try to put it on my tail lights and see how it goes in another video. Okay.
If you live with that knife.
Look at the garbage. Next one, please.
Here you go.
Nuts and bolts. Let's see what they're.
Well, I hope it's not your nuts.
Oh, it's wait. Oh, it's a fucking drain bolt for my oil. Hey, it's magnetic one. Well, I'll try it after I'll change my oil. Okay. All in Chinese. Greedy. Okay. Next up. Oh shit. That's what I think it is. I'm gonna be very excited. Oh, well wrapped. Ooh, ooh! It's my Yi camera, baby. We're gonna feel some shit with it. Okay, let's open.
It's a pretty box.
Yeah, it's pretty. Look it.
It's like a cake.
Okay. Small camera. Why? Come out, motherfucker. Damn, I thought it's gonna be bigger. So small.
No, it's small. They are all small. Even the GoPro is small.
Okay. I don't know, I haven't seen them in person.
You downloaded the app? Because you need an app.
Okay, I'll make it later. There is a battery inside. Okay. We'll check it out.
Photos with it.
Yeah. Photos and video.
Crystal
Okay.
clear.
We'll try it out later and I'll share my experience with it. What I got in the box? Some charging cable.
Oh, an instruction manual.
Look, it's blue. It's bluish. If
No,
you can
it's white.
Oh, it's bluish.
It's pure white. But blue.
Okay. What's inside the box?
Instruction manual and thank you card.
Thank you! Thank you.
Thank you. Come again.
Okay. What else? Okay.
Look, Bob. It's how to use it. It's for you.
I think I know how to use it.
No.
Okay. Assistant, please. Give me next package.
Oh, you can read it.
Ooh, what's up? What's up?
You even read it in German. Do you know German?
What's that? What's that?
That's a cap for a camera.
You say? What
Yeah.
the fuck is this?
Yeah, give me the camera. Where is it? It's a cap for the lens.
Oh.
It's so cute! And it's pink!
Okay. Okay. What's inside the box? Okay, that's a charging cable.
But it's very useful.
Oh, it's your camera charger with 2 batteries. What the fuck? I can't. Fuck, how to open it? Okay, what's a charger? That's fine. But you're pulling very strong.
No, it's just.
You're gentle?
ripping. Gentle.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
I don't know if you're gonna rip this, how you're gonna.
Put it back.
Yeah, put them out. Because it's like.
It's tight.
Yeah, it's tight there.
Shit.
It's so cute! You can put it on a leash and just like.
Pop. Okay. Next one, please.
Here.
Oh, okay. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.
It's a mess.
Yeah, no. We're gonna clean up it. Oh, it's a waterproof case.
We're gonna play with it in the bath.
Yes. Yay! Waterproof case. What is cable? Let me.
How do you open it?
From the top. Yeah, this black one.
Oh. It's like bottles.
Okay.
Yeah, put it inside.
Let's put it away. Oh, once.
Put it inside. No more. Like this.
Yeah. Bam, bam, and oh, yes.
Hey, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Then you have to like wipe that down.
Well, there is a.
Yeah,
Like
but
clear.
from the inside.
Oh yeah.
There's 2 buttons. For what?
This one to start filming, and I guess this one is power button. Power button. I guess. I don't remember. We'll have to use it and see ourselves. Okay. Okay. Next up, please. And our last package.
Here you go.
Camera accessories. So I guess what I ordered is some tabs to put inside that waterproof case and keep the water moisture out. That's my guess. Like you put it.
You could put silica gel in that.
Well, you could. I don't know. So yeah, I guess that wraps up our video. So we're gonna see each other in the next video. Yeah. Okay. Bye.